Guys, in today's video we will show you how we use $10 to make $270 in a very limited number of trades and while following our signature technique. So let's see what happens. And you can see that we have instantly placed our buy entries with full margin so that we can make profit. And now we are going to place the lower base on the screen. And also I've marked the trend line and now I'm going to place the upper base on the screen. And you can see that everything has been placed successfully on the screen. And I'm still placing more and more buy entries with full margin. And you can see that we have started to grow profit. So our technique is working till now and we are still placing more and more buy entries with full margin so that we can make some maximum profit out of it. And you can see that our profit has reached $10 and we have made a good profit so far. The profit is increasing, and as it rises, we place more entries with full margin due to the upward trend. We are following this trend, and the profit has crossed $20. So we again place more and more buy entries with full margin. And for our previous subscribers, they must know that this is our signature technique that we place buy entries with full margin as soon as we make profit so that our profit will boost. And you can see that profit is fluctuating, but it is expected to go very high. So we are very much hopeful that this trade will make us good profit and will be just not be disappointed from this trade. So you can see the profit is going in a normal manner and we are expected to make more profit. But so I think we'll close here and we have closed this trade at $60 as that was its only range until the rate increased, which I saw changing. I decided to close the trade to avoid risk. Our total balance is $60 and our profit was $50. So in total we made $60 from this previous trade and now you can see our balance is $60 and we will surely use this $60 balance in our next trade. So till the time we find another trade, you can just verify that our balance is $60. And keep it in mind that we'll use this balance to make more profit. And you can see that the market is going in a downwards move. So we expected to make an entry right now. And you can see that I've placed the trend line on the screen and I have also marked the upper base on the screen and also now I'm going to mark the indication that till where the market is expected to go. So let's see that how much profit we can make in this particular trade and where this trade closes. So you just have to stay tuned and watch everything very carefully. I have cut only very minimum portion of this video so that you can observe everything very quickly and now you can see I am placing the lower base on the screen and you can see as soon as I found the entry I placed sell entries with full margin and I'm not stopping at all. But till now my trades were in loss and I'm trying to place more and more sell entries. But sometimes it restricts you to place more entries because of leverage's issue or something else. But still, we'll keep on trying to place more and more sell entries with full margin and you can see that the market is moving regularly, going up and down without anything special happening. However, we are hopeful that this trade will exceed our expectations, leading to significant profits. We've invested only $10. It is a very low-risk trade. The loss margin is high, but profit is greater. If you make a profit, it could be substantial, but if you lose, it's only $10, which is insignificant. We made $50 from the previous trade, and now we're using our profit for the next one. And you can see in this trade so far we have made $20 and we are making more and more sell entries with full margin so that we can make profit. And you can see that everything is in front of you and we have crossed $30 successfully in profit. We'll again try to add more sell entries. with full margin so that we can just make profit. And you can see I'm again placing sell entries with full margin. And everything is very obvious right now that this is a downgoing trend and it will go furthermore so that we'll make more profit from it. Our profit crossed $40, prompting us to place more sell entries with full margin. Again, it restricted our entries, but the profit successfully exceeded $60, then came back but remained above $50. So which is also a great thing, we have again crossed profit of $50 and this trade is again in profit. And that's how you can see easily you can make a profit while following that signature technique, which is to like not the technique of trade, but the strategy which we follow that we only use $10 and then the rest is profit, and if you lose, it won't be a major loss, only $10. The chances of this loss are very low, so you don't need to be afraid of it. To make more profit, you must take some risk. And what will be better than that? Your risk margin is that much low and your profit margin is that much high. And we are again placing sell entries with full margin so that we can make our profit boost. And there you can see the market is going good. And again we have placed another sell entry with full margin. And there you can see we have crossed $80 in profit and we are expected to make more and we are hopeful that this trade will go further than that and will close at a very good total. We placed sell entries with full margin again, and you can see our profit is still going up and we are expected to make more and more. So we'll just wait for the right time because it is very important to place the right entry at the right time so that you can make the maximum of the profit and your risk chances are very low. And there you can see the market is on its regular move and nothing is special here to show you but you can see that the trade is going really good. So we are hopeful that it will be more better than that. So we'll wait for that particular time until where this trade goes and how much profit we can make in total. So it would be a suspense for you if you are like actually at the moment when the trades are being placed and this trade is on the continuous move, but after that it is just like an addition to your portfolio that you have made a good trade. So it is important to control your emotion and your thoughts at that particular time when the trade is going on and make profit from that. That is the key to this successful trades. So we are still like waiting for that right time to again press entries or close the trade whenever we'll see that market is going. Now the trend of the market has changed and you can see that still we are at $80 in profit and total balances are $130. And still we are expected to go more. So we'll just wait for that time when our profit boosts and we make like really good total. So let's see what happens. And you can see all our entries are there and you can see there's a major boost in the profit. We continue to place more sell entries with full margin so that our profit boosts more and we make a lot of profit again, and you can see that our profit has crossed $200. So we decided to close this trade and successfully we have closed this trade at a $220 profit and a total balance of $270. This is all about this strategy, and now if you want to learn more such strategies and about trading, then you should join our Telegram channel, the link to which has been provided in the description. And also this video is for educational purposes only and we are not your financial advisors. So trade at your own risk. Also if you want this strategy, then there is a link provided in the description. You should follow that link and you will get the strategy. Also, if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and push the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the updates from our channel. Because we keep on releasing giveaways and many more things for our subscribers who are regular with our videos, and they get a lot of advantage which are second.